Every week, developers build and release useful open-source projects on GitHub that push AI and developer workflows forward. This is a weekly GitHub project update video where you discover top trending open-source GitHub projects this week. Without wasting time, let's quickly explore practical and trending projects developers are actively using.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Goose, local open source AI agent for developers. Goose is an open source AI agent framework and dev tool that automates complex engineering tasks on your local machine using natural language commands and any compatible language model. It works through a command line interface or desktop application so developers can prompt Goose to build projects, execute code, debug failures, orchestrate workflows, and interact with external systems while keeping control of data and execution locally. Goose connects with MCP servers and LLMs, adapts to your development context, and helps reduce manual effort on repetitive tasks for engineers and creators. Try Goose on your system and let it perform tasks for you. Project number 2, VibeVoice, open source expressive speech synthesis framework. VibeVoice is an open source research framework for generating expressive, long-form conversational audio from text using advanced speech tokenizers and a next token diffusion method that blends large language model context with acoustic detail for natural speech output. It lets developers and researchers synthesize multi-speaker dialogues and long audio-like podcasts while retaining speaker consistency without external dependencies besides Python and model weights. The core models work locally or on hosted systems with streaming input and aim to improve scalability and audio quality in TTS workflows. Try exploring the repo and run its text-to-speech examples. Project number 3, NVIDIA Dynamo, high-performance distributed AI inference framework. NVIDIA Dynamo is an open-source inference framework and dev tool designed to serve large generative AI and reasoning models across many GPUs and nodes in distributed environments. It works as a modular system where components in Rust and Python handle request routing, dynamic GPU scheduling, and multi-node orchestration, so models scale efficiently with low latency. The framework connects with major inference engines like TensorR, TLLM, VLLM, and SG-Lang, and optimizes data movement and KV cache handling to boost throughput. This matters for developers building scalable AI services and data center-grade inference pipelines. Try exploring the repo and build distributed model serving with Dynamo. Project number 4, Browser Use, AI-driven web automation for agents. Browser Use is an open-source Python library and AI agent tool that lets developers automate and interact with web browsers using natural language and programmatic control. It works by connecting an AI agent with a real browser like Chromium, so the agent can navigate pages, click elements, fill forms, scrape data, and manage sessions instead of manual scripting. Developers install it locally with Python, set up an API key, and run agents that perform browser tasks and workflows without custom automation code. This matters for teams building web bots and automated assistants that handle dynamic content. Try using Browser Use to control browsers with AI instructions. Project number 5, Agentation, visual feedback tool for AI agents. Agentation is an open-source React library and developer tool that lets developers annotate elements on a web page and generate structured feedback that AI coding agents can locate in the codebase. It runs as a floating toolbar in your browser when you include the component in your React app, and you click elements, select text, and add notes, so the tool captures selectors, positions, and context. This helps AI agents understand exactly which part of the UI you mean, so they fix issues faster and with precise references. Try adding agentation to your project and generate clear feedback for your coding agents. Project number 6, Antigravity Kit, AI agent templates and workflows. Antigravity Kit is an open-source developer tool and template collection that gives engineers a set of AI agent templates, specialist agents, domain skills, and workflows to extend and organize agent-driven coding assistance. It installs a .agent folder with templates into your project and lets the system analyze your tasks, select relevant skills, and run structured workflows like brainstorming, debugging, or enhancement with /commands. Developers use it alongside agent platforms to automate complex tasks and get expert-level responses without manual orchestration. Try initializing Antigravity Kit in your project and use its workflows to guide agent actions. Project number 7, Qwen3 TTS Open-Source Text-to-Speech Model Series. Qwen3 TTS is an open-source family of text-to-speech models developed by the Qwen team that lets developers generate stable, expressive, and streaming speech from text using Python code and model weights under an Apache 2.0 license. The project supports voice design, custom voices, and rapid voice cloning across major languages, and it runs locally or on hosted systems by loading model files and invoking Python APIs. It connects with speech tokenizers and generation code so you can synthesize natural speech with control over tone and expression. Try loading a Qwen3 TTS model and convert text into audio. Project number 8. OpenReel Video, browser-based professional video editor. OpenReel Video is an open-source browser-based video editor and dev tool that gives developers and creators a professional editing environment without installs or cloud uploads. It runs entirely client-side in the browser using React, TypeScript, web codecs, and WebGPU so users can edit multi-track timelines, apply transitions, mix audio, animate text, and export videos locally with hardware acceleration. This matters for developers and designers who want full editing power without heavy desktop software. Try running OpenReel Video in your browser and start editing your clips. Project number 9. Claude-Config, Claude Code Configuration and Skills. Claude-Config is an open-source developer configuration repository for Claude Code that provides a ready setup of settings, skills, scripts, and sync tools to manage your local agent environment. It includes a global settings.json, reusable skill folders with descriptive metadata, shell scripts to install and sync configurations, status line helpers, and test suites so you can control permissions, add custom skills, and validate changes. This lets developers standardize and extend Claude Code workflows with a structured config they can sync and reuse. Try cloning Claude-Config and customize your own agent setup. Project number 10. Craft Agents, Desktop AI Agent Orchestration Platform. Craft Agents is an open-source desktop application and agent framework that helps developers work with AI agents through a graphical interface instead of command-line text only. It runs locally with Electron, React, TypeScript, Bun, and the Claude-Agent-SDK so you can manage multiple sessions, connect to data sources like MCP servers or REST APIs, and organize workflows with permission modes and status workflows. The desktop app keeps data local, offers session inboxes and multi-file diffs, and lets developers connect GitHub, Slack, or file sources for richer context. This platform matters for teams seeking a unified way to interact with AI agents beyond basic CLIs. Try Craft Agents and orchestrate your agent workflows. Project number 11, Marketing Skills. Claude Code Marketing Workflows and Skills. Marketing Skills is an open-source collection of AI agent skills designed to extend Claude Code and similar systems with practical marketing knowledge and workflows. It provides a set of skill definitions that let an AI agent handle tasks like conversion rate optimization, copywriting, SEO, analytics, and growth engineering by adding structured domain expertise to the agent's repertoire. Developers install and include these skills in their Claude Code project so the agent responds with task-specific frameworks instead of generic text. This matters for technical marketers and AI developers who want agents to perform real marketing work. Try adding marketing skills to your Claude Code setup to unlock marketing-focused agent capabilities. Project number 12, Websockets, live real-time WebSocket demo backend. Websockets is an open-source backend demo application that shows how to build a real-time commentary and match update service using WebSockets for bidirectional streaming communication and Express with a PostgreSQL database for REST and broadcast channels. It runs locally by cloning and starting the server. Then clients can subscribe over a WebSocket connection to receive immediate score and commentary updates without polling. The code includes patterns like heartbeats, back pressure control, and message validation so developers exploring real-time systems can learn reliable communication techniques. Try running it and send match events over WS to see live updates. Project number 13, Compound Product, Self-Improving Product Automation System. Compound Product is an open-source automation framework and developer tool that reads reports generated by your system, identifies the highest priority actionable issue, and runs an autonomous loop to implement fixes and create pull requests. It works by analyzing daily markdown reports with shell scripts and AI agents, generating structured tasks, and looping over them with quality checks while keeping memory in Git history and progress logs. Developers install it into their repo, so the tool runs locally and produces PRS ready for review. This matters for teams seeking continuous AI-driven improvement. Try running Compound Product with your reports. Project number 14, Copilot SDK, Multi-Platform AI Agent Integration Toolkit. Copilot SDK is an open-source development library and SDK that lets developers embed GitHub Copilot's agent execution engine into their own applications and workflows. It provides language-specific bindings so you can create custom agents, skills, and tools in environments like JavaScript, Python, Go, and .NET, and control agent planning, tool use, and multi-turn execution loops programmatically instead of only through the Copilot CLI. The SDK connects with GitHub authentication and model backends to manage sessions and streaming responses for integrated agent workflows. This matters for developers building AI-enhanced apps that leverage Copilot's capabilities outside of editors and terminals. Try the Copilot SDK in your app and extend Copilot agent functions. Project number 15, Crate Indexer, search Rust crates via CLI and MCP. Crate Indexer is an open-source CLI tool and MCP server that helps developers fetch Rust crates from crates.io, index their source, and search it without manual browsing. It downloads a crate with dependency resolution, stores indexed data locally in ~.crate-indexer/ and keeps definitions in a SQLite database for quick lookup. You can run regex searches, generate embeddings for semantic natural language search, and list or inspect functions, structs, traits, and impl blocks by ID. Use MCP mode to plug these tools into an AI assistant. Install it and index a crate you use. Project number 16, GitHub Copilot CLI AI coding in your terminal. GitHub Copilot CLI is an open-source command line tool that brings the Copilot coding agent directly into your terminal so developers can build, debug, and understand code using natural language commands without switching contexts. It runs locally in a shell, connects with your GitHub account and repositories, and uses the Copilot agent to plan, generate, and modify code while letting you preview actions before execution. This matters for developers who want powerful AI assistance in a terminal workflow. Try installing Copilot CLI and use natural language to work with your code. Project number 17, Learn Claude Code, build an AI agent from scratch. Learn-Claude-Code is an open-source tutorial repo that teaches developers how modern AI coding agents work by building a small agent step by step. It provides 5 incremental Python versions where each one adds a core concept like bash tool use, a basic tool loop, to-do tracking for planning, sub-agents for delegation, and a skills mechanism. It targets people learning agent design and stays compatible with Code CLI, Claude Code, Cursor Agent, and other tools that support the agent skills spec. Try running a version and study how the agent loop works. Project number 18, Shimmer from Structure. Transform structured text to narrative. Shimmer from Structure is an open-source Python library and developer tool that lets developers convert structured text like XML, JSON, or YAML into fluent English using an LLM backend. You install it with Python, provide structured inputs and a schema file, and the tool calls a language model via your API key to produce clear narratives without manual scripting. It works locally or in hosted environments and supports prompt templates and batch processing, so you can generate readable text at scale. This matters for anyone who needs to turn machine formats into human language. Try it with your own structured data. Project number 19, Haunt.Nvim, Ghost text bookmarks for NeoVim. Haunt.Nvim is an open-source developer plugin for the NeoVim editor that lets programmers create and manage Ghost text annotations tied to Git branches so they can bookmark and revisit key code locations without modifying files. It adds virtual text annotations, lets you jump between bookmarks, and integrates with Picker and Sidekick plugins to search and act on your notes. Developers install it with a plugin manager and call API or commands to annotate, toggle, delete, and navigate marks directly inside NeoVim. This matters for developers who want lightweight contextual notes and fast navigation. Try Haunt.Nvim in your NeoVim setup and annotate your code. Project number 20, Bu-Agent-SDK. Minimal AI Agent Framework in Python. Bu-Agent-SDK is an open-source developer library and agent framework that lets engineers build and run simple AI agents using pure Python with minimal abstractions. It provides a basic loop structure where an agent uses an LLM backend and registered tools to query, plan, call tools like math functions or task completions, and manage context with streaming events and dependency injection. The framework runs locally and supports multiple LLM providers so developers can integrate it with various models and workflows. This matters for developers who want a lightweight base to prototype agent behaviors. Try adding Bu-Agent-SDK to your project and build your own agent loop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.